Hello, this is a video kind of explaining why I didn't have one out on Wednesday. I've got the power armor all wired up with the control mechanisms. I just need the control surfaces for the foot pads. And you see, I did try to make a backpack for the car battery, but because the car battery is very heavy and I haven't glued everything properly, the power armor actually split right down the middle with those unions right there. So I might end up doing a live stream called the Stinky Stream about just gluing it together. But I've also ordered some LiPo batteries, a variation of lithium, maybe lithium potassium. They work well in lower temperatures, I guess. And they don't have as much capacity as the car battery, but they are a lot lighter. So I should be getting those in Monday, along with a charger for them. But they're only 11.1 volts, so maybe I'll put them in series to get 22.2 volts, make the power armor go faster. Or in parallel to just get more capacity, because they're only about 5.2 amp hours, and this thing uses about maybe 2 when one leg is moving, so it's like 4 when both legs are moving. I don't know, I have to check, see what the power indicator reads me. But in the meantime, looking into some alternative means of mech transportation. Powering a mech, such as with a Power Wheels motor. And I 3D printed an adapter, so it goes from this weird whoozy what's it to a Harbor Freight wheel. So if I just plug it in, off it goes. Look how strong that is. And I just gotta figure out a way to secure a battery, actually, to it. And I need to get some more elbows and unions so I can do more construction because I'm all out. And maybe get a couple more bits of PVC because I've only got two thin-walled 3/4 inch left. So need to pick up some more PVC and maybe start using that metal to make a second pair of use arms, which is over here. It's kind of buried in stuff, but I'll do a proper video later. I actually made a grabby claw, so when you squeeze this thing, the claw will actually close-ish. I gotta get some proper springs for it, and work on some of the tension. But well, that's just about it. Doing fun stuff, but most of the time it's just boring stuff being put together. Who would have thought power armor wouldn't be this exciting? So if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, share it with others, and schlep around car batteries today. Bye-bye.